That was a pretty nice campsite. I'm gonna go back up on the KVR because it's right here. This is like concrete here. They had a roller in here this morning. Walked up here last night just to have a look at it. And the bicycle guy that was in the campsite last night, he was not impressed because it was so sandy. Kind of boring along here. Because trees on both sides, you can't really see much. The old Headley Road. Wanna watch this? From our modern road-centric point of view, it's very confusing where the KVR goes and what it was for, because it seems to pop up in random places. Looking at a couple of maps helps us understand what the purpose was. Before 1891, everything moved on the lakes, north and south. To the north was the CP Main Line, the Trans-Canada. To the south, mining goods headed south via steamboat to the United States. The Columbia and Kootenays Railway was built to capture that business. The KVR opened in 1915, continuing the Southern Rail connection from Midway out to the coast at Vancouver. This is Link Lake. This is kind of nice over here. There's nothing on this side. Osprey Lake. Thanks. Railroads, they like straight. Straight and level. This is the Headley Road, which apparently goes to gravel at some point. Maybe we'll do that for a bit. Thirsk Lake. The Trout Creek Ranch. That's pretty cool. Big honking dog coming out to meet me. Size of a horse. Fortunately, he's fenced in. He's very large. The rail trail and the road look like they're right on top of each other, and they kind of are. That's the rail trail up there. Go back up to the rail trail here, because it diverges from the highway and goes around a mountain.
it is. Ooh, it's sandy. Cool. Trout Creek Crossing. Looks nice. It's quite the valley. Just popped onto the hard here. I have no idea why. I think this pavement is very new.
I wonder where they hide the locomotive.
I am disappointed that you can't see the locomotive. I'm pretty sure it's in that shed there for servicing while she's not taking people around. No motorized. Okay, we won't. Changes from the coast to here. And this is Penticton. But I saw something that I just had to come in and check out. Okay, so that goes to Apex. This is forest fire burning here. Well, that was quite the pretty little road. Now it joins up with 3A down into Keremeos.
Nice.
How are you?
Good, you.
Good.